Hey everybody, how's it going? I've been really busy, but I got a free day, so we're gonna work on the block today. I got my oil pan off this week. It looks really clean. I don't need a new one, because this one looks awesome. And so that's good, something I don't have to buy. But I found something in the oil pan, which is kind of meh. I don't know if you'll be able to see this on camera because it's really little, but it's this tiny little sliver of a actual, one of these actual pistons. They got these little tiny it's a actual clip that it slides in one of the cylinders inside there, so that when they go like up and down inside here, they don't go from side to side, or they don't do a weird thing on the inside of the actual cylinder. They just go up and down. And what's crazy is these tiny little slivers go inside there, and I think one of them on one of these just was inside there. And that's a bummer, because now I gotta figure out which one that's to, so we're gonna figure that out today. I'm gonna take this all apart, and then I gotta get this to the machine shop to get all cleaned up like my head. Yeah. That's what we're doing today. All right, well, yeah, I got whatever the fuck that thing is, and I got the oil siphon, or the oil actual pickup. I don't know, I think it's called an oil pickup. I got that out too, but here's what we're looking at here. Now I gotta get this all out, so that'll be great. That'd be great, folks. Yeah. I don't really have any idea what I'm looking at. Well, there's some stains in there, but it's 30 years old now, so maybe it looks good. Maybe you're like, Jesus, that looks terrible. I don't know, but yeah. Yippers. So we're gonna get this out now. All right, well, I got all the bolts out. I had to use the extension for my jack to get this guy out of there to crank these open, because those are tough. So, all right, well, let's continue. Oh, okay. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing in here. You're all probably just cringing at home. Ah! Give me Give me it. Okay. Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it, that son of a bitch. I got everything apart. Except for the oil filter. I think I got an oil filter tool. I just gotta get that off. But yeah. Well, that's dope. That's dope. And there she is. Ready to go to the machine shop, I guess. I don't know, I gotta get a few little things off of this side still. So that'll be easy though. But yeah, shit. Yeah, well, yeah, let's not do that. All right, well, I made a mess. Got the motor, the block apart. Got all the pistons out, the crank. Yeah, my hands hurt. My fingers hurt. But yeah, that's dope. Now I gotta get everything in its own little spot in the garage and organize it and make sure I keep all the bolts and all the shit the same. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that today. But I had to call the machine shop, be like, hey, I'm bringing the other half of my motor to you. So the head's been at the shop for like 6 months. So I'm guessing, who knows when I'll get everything back. The end of this year, I don't know. Machine shops are crazy. They take forever, but there's nothing you can do. And it's like the only one within an hour of me that I was like, this guy seems all right. So, yeah. That's it. That's it for this vlog. Peace.